These guys, they're trying so hard right now. They're probably turning their cheats on. I hear their little keyboards clicking.
Bro, your clan tag is Kate. You're so irrelevant. Shut up.
Hey, you know what? You don't talk about Kate like that. You don't even know her.
Bro, you're fucking
I love that little laugh, dude.
I can't.
You stay out of Kate's DMs, and she didn't hit your DMs. I know that's for sure. Oh, sorry, guys. I have a nervous tick. It's not my fault. It's just the way God made me.
Oh, two pushing left, two pushing left.
We've got two pushing left. Rush.
I'm crying, bro.
The Russian guy on our team now? Where did he come from?
Okay.
Guys, don't make fun of my laugh. I have a nervous tick, okay? I can't help it.
Bro, that little laugh is perfect.
Oh, I just got killed because I was exploring. I was just exploring.
Bro, you're fucking
I love that little laugh, dude.